Good guys, welcome back to another video with your boy Lint no more. Yep, we are here as always, you know it, getting dry vents clean. So we're on our way to another job. Just got finished done with one, so we'll see you there in the truck. Got my little snack here. Probably don't know if I can promote this, but anyways, I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm on my way to one more today, so we'll see how it goes. So here's what we got out today. Yep, all that duct. Here's what we're working with. Got most of it out. And all this. If you haven't already, check us out. Got everything.